Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the heavily refreshed 2022 Kia Stinger GT2. This is the all-wheel drive V6, of course. Total price as equipped of $55,605. That includes the snow white pearl, the red interior color package, and the cargo mat and carpeted floor mats. Snow white pearl is a beautiful color. Different seat design for 2022. Different logo, different wheels, different tail lights, different exhaust, which that is a huge difference. One of the biggest things with the Stinger, I was like, I wish it had a bit more sound. This one does. Different headlights, little bit of a different front end too. And the biggest difference is this new Kia badge that is working its way onto all of Kia's new models. Forget what it started on. Oh, the Carnival. Carnival was the first Kia to feature that new badge. With the biggest change of the GT being the active exhaust, I figured I'd start off here. You have off, soft, normal, and strong. We'll be driving it in strong to give you a difference, or show you the difference. Sliding visor, sunroof, ventilated seats, heated seats, all your different drive modes, custom, sport, comfort, eco, smart. When you go into sport, these side bolsters, they tighten up. You can go ahead and you can deactivate that if you want to. GT2 has this electronic shifter. GT1 I don't think has it. I have yet. It's the first 2022 GT I've seen, so. I'm a huge fan of the Stinger, always have been. At the date of filming, it was just released that Kia is getting rid of the Stinger, and I am really disappointed by that, and I really hope it's just a rumor and is not true, because I would be very disappointed if that was the case. This is an excellent car, one of my favorites of the Kia lineup, so it'd be a shame to see it go. Slightly different power too. Power's upped a little bit. I think it's like 5 to 10 horsepower. Nothing crazy, but still, base Stinger, or the previous generation Stinger had plenty. And this one does too. This car. This is an awesome car. I really can't complain. It's just that much fun. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the paddles. With the GT2 electronic shifter, there's no dedicated manual mode. So when you come to a stop, it defaults back to drive. low RPM, that's where this thing really makes some good noises. Look at that, we're getting some trucks in. Ah, Yukon. Haven't seen one of those in forever. Silverado heavy duties. What an awesome car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.